In SolidWorks, you can create draft in a part model. That's where you apply taper to the different model surfaces with a specified angle. And that's very often used in parts that are created in a mold process. Here I have a part model. I want to apply some draft to the vertical surfaces of this extrude. To create the draft, I will click on the draft command. This opens up the property manager. Right now, it is in the selection for parting line draft. But with parting line draft, you can select a direction of pull and the parting line. And this is typically used when you are applying draft to the entire model. But I just want to apply them to specific surfaces, so I will change to neutral plane draft. Here we have the angle. I'll show that at the end. Then you can select your neutral plane. You could use, say, a model surface like this surface, or I can choose instead to select a plane in the model. And then we have our faces that we want to draft. I will select them just using a bunch of left mouse clicks. Let me rotate the model to get some of the other surfaces. And this looks good for the surfaces that I want to apply it to. And then here we have the option to show the preview. That's good to make sure that you are getting the draft that you want. We can see that it is tapering up at the top. We can try different draft angles till we find what we want. And right now I'm at 4 degrees. If I go to 5 degrees, the preview goes away because it is too big. It can no longer intersect with the model. Let me decrease the angle. And then I realize, you know what? I want the draft going in the other direction. I want it to narrow towards the bottom. So I will use the flip button for the draft hinge. Now it's going in towards the bottom. And let me increase to 6 degrees. I'm happy with that. So I will hit the check mark. And in that way, I have created draft in my model. If this video helped you, check out these other videos and like and subscribe.